Welcome to this introductory video for self-provisioned instances of Hanelly. This video will teach you first how to create your administrator account in Hanelly, then upload some demo data that we provide to you, and then finally create your user login for the front end of the application so that you and your colleagues can start using Hanelly. Now, after signing up for Hanelly, you will receive an email notification that your Hanelly instance is now ready. Before you can do anything else with Hanelly, you will need to set up your administrator account access, and this email contains the link to do that. Click Set Password to start this process. This opens a Hanelly password screen where you need to enter and confirm the password for the administrator account. Just enter your preferred administrator password in both fields, and then click Confirm. Once the system sets your admin password, click the link to log into the admin console. Enter administrator as the username and the password that you just set, and then click Login. You can also change the default language you want to use in Hanelly, but for now we'll just stick with English. To upload data into your Hanelly system, you first need to click Data Management to open the page where you upload the sample data, or, for example, your own data later on. Once you're in the Data Management page, click Upload Data. This opens a page where you can either download an empty default template, like what you'd use to fill out and upload your own data, or a populated template with generic data from us that you can upload to see Hanelly's functionality and abilities. There's another template here too, but we'll explain that in another video. Make sure you've turned off your pop-up blocker, then click the link to download the populated template. You can then open it from your Downloads folder. The spreadsheet then opens. This spreadsheet is where you'd enter data about all of your users that you want to have access to the front end of Hanelly. Notice the columns for username, role, and email. These are the critical fields you need for your users to log in. The Hanelly system should have entered a row in this spreadsheet for you by default, so ensure that your username and email are in the spreadsheet. This is what will allow you to log into the front end in a few minutes. Now, to upload the data, all you have to do is click Upload Data, navigate to where you saved your spreadsheet, and then click OK. You'll see some progress status bars, and when they're done, you can log out of the admin console so you can log into the front end as a regular user. Logging out brings you back to the main login screen. Now, do you see that first time user link here at the bottom? Go ahead and click that and enter your email address as it appears in the spreadsheet you just uploaded as the administrator. Don't put any blank spaces before or after the email address so that the system will recognize you. Now, if the email matches what was in the spreadsheet, you'll receive another email to set your password, this time for your front-end user. Now, it might seem a little bit confusing to have to log in twice, but in this process you're creating two distinct users, the administrator first, and then you as an end user. So notice that the username is the username associated in the spreadsheet you uploaded. Click Set Password again to go to the user-facing part of Hanelly and set your password. Confirm that this is your front-end username, and then enter and confirm the password you want to use for this account, and click Confirm. After the system accepts your password, click the link to log in. Now you'll receive another email, this time confirming that you set your password correctly. Click the link in the email to start logging in. At the login screen, enter your front-end username and password that you just set to log in and see all of Hanelly's features, such as org charts, dashboards, and analytics. Again, don't be confused that you had to log in twice because you logged in as a different user each time. First as the administrator to set up your environment, and then to log in as yourself to see the application. We hope this video helps clarify the login and creation process. And again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Nakisa support at info@nakisa.com or call us at 1-855-5-NAKISA. Thank you.